First of all, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to everyone joining us for the IFRS S2 and climate-related workshop. Let me also express my deep appreciation to the Stock Exchange of Thailand for the kind support and collaboration making this workshop possible. And thank you so much for you all for joining us today as we have together to dive into one of the most critical developments in corporate reporting and risk management. We are here to look at how we can truly integrate climate-related risks and opportunity into our financial and strategic decision making.